Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It is time for a new Halloween themed face paint design, and this one is created by Simone, of course. And for this design, Simone is working with a split cake by Diamond Effect. So this one is called Wild Berry, and as you can see, it has some lovely colors on it. There is yellow, pink, red, and with just a regular face painting sponge, Simone is dabbing the colors on her skin. So I've chosen to only show you the right side of this design, or her painting the right side of this design, because it is a symmetrical design. Everything you do on one side, you can then just copy it on the other side. So after the split cake, we continue to a very detailed small little brush by Superstar. This is a mica number 0 brush. It is very tiny, so you can really make fine lines with it. And the black is by Diamond Effects. It is a wax-based face paint, water-based face paint, and you can really use it to create that lovely crisp lines. So it seems like a very tiny little wiggling lines everywhere, but this will all come together into a spider web. So after the eyeliner on the eye, we create the shape that will in a few moments become the spider web. So make sure that you make this symmetrical, because an asymmetrical design like this doesn't look that good. Just filling out some black triangles to really finish off the web that Simone is putting on her skin now. So don't put straight lines, make them kind of curved. That looks better. And also for the connecting lines, make them a little bit curved. Once the spider webs under the eyes are done, we can continue to the forehead. And there is a line just over the eyebrow on both sides. And then Simone is just creating a few extra lines to create the centerpiece of this face paint. So as you can see, it looks kind of like a tribal on the forehead. Just make those lines nice and crisp. A few dots. Always do a good job in any face paint design. And of course we need some lipstick. So this one is Bright Red by Maron Paradise. It is the basic red. You can obviously also use lipstick, but Simone is using the face paint for now. A few extra dots, just look at the design and decide where you can put them. So as you can see in a little bit, Simone is actually looking for where can I put them? Well, just put a few over here. And with those few final dots, this spider web inspired Halloween face paint is done. Well, obviously we hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos.